So these are the beans that was bad, laying right here. That's not too many out of that much of a bag, you know. It was a 2-pound bag, and that's not too much. They're all cleaned up. Now they're ready to be washed, and I got my big pot of water on. And you have to wash your beans because you see your water gets really kind of dirty there. And you don't want that. You want the clean water. See the difference there? And so I'm going to take this little screen and strain them. Run, you know, then do another bowl of them. According to how the water looks, I may end up having to use a third water. I like them clean before I pour them in the hot water. Water's starting to steam, you see there? It's going to be good. So here's my pinto beans. They're just cooking away. Look at that. I don't have any salt bacon in there. I know a lot of people do, and I love it with the salt bacon in there. But today I don't have any, and I still want to cook the pinto beans, so I'm cooking the pinto beans. See, they're just really good. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? They will be so good when they get done. They're looking great already. Looking great. So here's my pinto beans again. I've got them turned down kind of low. You know, they're cooking fast. Boy, they've been spattering up and making my stove a mess. Isn't that awful? Kind of. That? Well, we'll clean it up and wash it up a little bit later because it's going to have to be done. I had them boiling pretty fast there. Okay, there they are though. They look good. Look at this. Now I'm going to let them just put a lid on them and let them slow cook. Isn't that going to be nice? It'll be nice. Look at that. Those look so good, don't they? Look at that. They look good. Yes, indeed. Yes, they look good. So here's the beans. They're done, and I'm going to try them and see what they're like. You know, see if they taste good. Get my lid out of the way. Here we go. And dip a little bit in here. Doesn't that look good? Look at that. That looks good, don't it? I think it's probably about enough for a taste test, right? Alrighty then.